Kansas City. It is time to take the classic Reuben sandwich up a notch. One of my favorite barbecue dudes, Joe Pearce, in the house here from SLABBED Barbecue to show us how it's done. First off, I want to talk about brining a little bit. Okay. I know a little bit about brining because I've brined turkey and I've brined chicken before.
Absolutely.
But is it better to brine our pastrami for our Reuben sandwich?
100%.
Or should we not?
That's how you get to a pastrami.
Okay.
Right? So corned beef comes brined. You can brine it on your own, or you can do what I do. We go to Boyle's. They're here in Kansas City. They've been brining corned beef for
decades.
Decades.
Let's leave it at that.
Hundreds of thousands of years. Let's exaggerate. But it comes already brined.
Okay.
And it's really simple, right? So if you have to get a 5-gallon bucket, you have to figure out the brine. You don't know how long, because brining these corned beefs take 1 or 2 weeks.
Oh, really? It stays in there for a long
little bit
time.
because you want that brine to go all the way through the meat, and this piece of brisket is so tough and so dense, it takes a little while. So let the professionals do it.
Let the pros do it and get your own pastrami and good to go. So let's talk a little bit more about the difference between pastrami and corned beef.
Yeah, so corned beef is real simple. It's usually braised and boiled in an oven, and pastrami is smoked.
Smoked.
That's the only difference.
So of course you're going to do pastrami here, being SLABBED Barbecue, right?
Not nonstop. We love pastrami. If I could have it on the menu every day of the year, I would. But it's a big March, St. Patrick's Day kind of a thing. So Fridays and Saturdays in March, we're going to have this on our special. It's pretty good.
So we're getting a treat for today, getting it on Thursday?
You're getting it on Thursday, yeah.
Excellent. Well, let's go ahead and get started with it. You've got it all cooked up here. What do we need to start with doing?
Yeah, you want to put some Thousand Island, which is the special sauce on the bread for me. And so what we're going to do different is, so pastrami is typically Thousand Island, the pastrami meat, a Swiss cheese, and then kraut, right?
Yeah.
Well, we're using our Provel, which we've done before, which is a melted provolone, Swiss, and white cheddar blend. And then we're going to kind of chop up the favorite part of a brisket, which is the point. So we're going to separate.
Let's get this out of the way there so everybody can see it.
Yeah, absolutely. So now this is your flat, this is your point. This is where you get your brisket slices from.
Yeah.
And this is where you get the burn ends from, right?
Yes, the point, right?
Absolutely. So I'm gonna cut a little chunk off here. Kind of get it out of the way, and really we're just going to kind of rough chop this up, and then we created kind of our ode to Kansas City traditional barbecue sauce. We call it the KCOG.
KCOG.
The KC Original Gangster.
I love it.
Right?
I love it.
Yeah, and so it's going to be on our table starting in March as well.
Okay.
And man, you can just see how juicy, how tender. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this for you.
Right through it. My goodness.
Yeah. Just give that a little taste.
A little taste.
Little taste. And so what I'm going to do, while you're giving that a taste, I'm going to pick all this up here. I'm going to put it on.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
You guys.
I know, right?
It's
salty.
like melting in your mouth.
Yeah. It's awesome. It is awesome. So then I'm going to take a glove off so I don't get all crazy here.
Can you guys see that? Okay, you can see over the top there. All right.
This is our liquid Provel, right? We're just going to give it a nice little over the top.
Everybody is over in the audience is watching the monitor like drooling right now.
And then this is that KCOG
this is
sauce.
The KCOG sauce?
Yeah, and we're going to go pretty heavy with it.
Yeah.
And
that's a little juicier than your normal barbecue sauce.
A little thinner.
A little thinner, thank you.
A little thinner than what we have on our tables, our traditional competition Kansas City style sauce.
Yeah.
Right? And so then we're going to throw the lid on. Still have the Thousand Island on there. Give her a nice cut.
Now, real quick, you
and
guys
then you go after it.
Friday and Saturday serving this at the restaurant. Where's the best spot in the restaurant to eat it at?
That's a great question. So we just opened the rooftop patio.
How awesome is that?
We opened it in November. And then it got cold. What are you going to do?
Oh, here's a shot of it. How cool.
Absolutely. There's the rooftop patio. It's got the picturesque skyline of downtown KC. When it's above 50 degrees out there, it's just absolutely awesome.
You guys got that great spot on Central there. So, like you said, overlooking downtown.
Overlooks downtown.
And then
it's a great spot to eat.
We can't leave you today without knowing there's a new addition to the SLABBED team.
There is.
Who is this here?
Yeah. Oh, that's my little girl, Annabelle.
Oh, my goodness. Now, how old is she?
She is now 7 weeks.
Oh,
she was born a little early. We thought she was coming in February. She ended up coming in January. And you know, she stole our hearts.
Has she smoked her first brisket yet?
Oh, she's on payroll.
Okay.
So she's already on payroll, which is good.
Well, she's definitely the draw here. I mean, your food's pretty good too. I don't
Absolutely.
But Joe, thank you very much for being here, man. We got the food. I still haven't finished this piece yet. So congrats again on the new addition. We appreciate it.